Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Harvey Dent, also known as Two-Face. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eye. So I'm going to move over to the left side. I'm going to draw the upper eyelid. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve up and then in. From here, we're going to tuck the eye in underneath the eyelid. So it's a half circle. We're going to create a little overlap. So we're going to step in, curve down towards the bottom, and then we'll pull that back up. Now on the left side of the eye, we're going to draw a small half circle for a highlight. So starting underneath the eyelid, we'll curve around, back up. Now in the middle of the eye, I want to draw a small circle for the pupil. So we'll start underneath the highlight. We're going to tuck this in underneath. We'll draw in that circle and we'll fill that in black. Now let's draw the eyebrow just above the eye. So on the left side here, we're going to step up. We're going to curve down and in towards the inside edge of the eyelid. Right here. Now from here, I just want to draw a short angled line going in and up. We'll go back to the outside. I'm just going to taper the eyebrow coming in so it gets a little bit thicker as we come in. We're just going to tuck that in behind the frown line. Now let's fill the eyebrow in black. Now let's move over to the right side and draw on this eye. So it's going to be a big open circle starting from the top. Come around to the bottom. And then back up towards the top. Now on the inside we're going to draw a smaller circle for the iris. And then we'll draw an even smaller circle inside and fill that in black. Now let's draw in a large bushy eyebrow on top of the right eye. So we're going to line up the inside edge of the brow. We're going to curve in towards the eye and go up. From here we're going to curve down the side of the eye. On the inside of the eyebrow we're going to draw a curve going up for the frown line, up and then in. Let's draw on the top edge of the eyebrow. Starting from the bottom, we're going to step up, we're going to curve up. I'm going to taper this back down and in. Let's draw another point. We're going to go all the way up towards the top. Now I'm going to curve this down, aiming toward this point. I'm going to leave a little gap on the inside. Now we're going to draw one more point going out towards the right. And we'll pull this all the way down towards the bottom of the eyebrow with a curve. Now let's go in and color that all in black. On the inside edge of the eyeball, we're going to draw a curve for the eye bag. Starting on the inside, we're going to leave a little gap. We're going to curve down and then just pull that out. Now let's move in towards the center, in between the eyes, and draw in the nose. So we're going to start in the center with a curve from left to right, coming down and then back up. On the right side, we're going to step down, curve out, and then pull that in for the nostril. Now on this nostril, we're going to flare this out. We're going to step down, curve up and out. Now I just want to surround this with a bracket. So we're going to step up, curve around the nostril, and back in. In the center, we're going to step up and just draw in the nose bridge. A curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then up in between the eyebrows, I want to add the frown line. Starting in the center, we're going to curve up and then out. We're going to step down in the center and draw in a point. This is the center of the mouth. Now we're going to curve up and then down towards the left. I just want to close off the edge of the mouth with a small bracket. Now let's move over towards the right. From here we're going to curve up and out, aiming towards the eye. I'm going to round out the side of the mouth, curving down and in. Now I'm just going to curve this in underneath the center of the mouth, curving up and then in. On the right side here, about halfway down the side of the mouth, we're going to draw a short angled line coming in. Now we're going to cross this like a T. Now in this corner area, we're just going to fill that in black. On the right side of the nostril, we're just going to curve out and then down, aiming towards the top corner of the mouth. Now on the side of the mouth, we're going to step out and just draw a large bracket. Now let's move back down towards the bottom of the mouth here. We're going to draw a curve from left to right, coming down and then back up for the lower lip. Alright, so now that we got the face, let's draw on the side of the head. So we're going to start on the left side of the left eye. Right down here, we're going to curve out the cheek and then curve down and in towards the middle. I want to work my way up towards the right side. So we're going to curve out, around just beside the right eye. From the top of the cheek, we're going to curve out and then back in. So on the left side, we're going to go around the eyebrow and then pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving out and then in. From here, we're going to do another curve going up towards the top of the hairline. So we'll curve out and in on both sides to the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve down and in towards the center widow's peak. Starting on the left, curve in, and then just pull that down in the middle. On the right side, we're just going to accentuate the brow. So we're just going to draw a curve on the top, just above the eyebrow, starting from the inside. We'll curve up and then out. On the side of the face, I want to accentuate the cheekbones. So directly below the left eye, we're just going to curve in and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the right side, I want to add a few bumps along the face. So just beside the eye, we're just going to draw a backward C. We'll step down here, do another one. At the bottom, we're just going to angle this downwards. Maybe we'll add one more at the top of the head. Now let's move to the side and draw on the ears. So we're going to line up with the top of the eyebrow. We're going to curve out, and we'll just pull that back in towards the side of the head. We'll take that and flip it over on the right side. So let's line up the inside edge of the ear, curve up and out, round it out, and then pull that in. Let's go back inside the ear and draw the inner ear detail. Up here, we're going to step down, curve down and in towards the top of the cheek. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now in the center of the widow's peak, I want to draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head. I'm just going to split the hair right in half, right there. Now let's work our way down the left side. From this point, I'm going to curve up and out towards the left with a short line. Now we're going to curve down and out towards the side of the head. We'll go out and then down. Now we're going to pull this in towards the top of the ear. So we're just going to bow this out and then pull that back in. Now the hair on the right side is a little bit messier, so we're going to start in the center here. We're going to draw a wave. We're going to curve up, down, and we'll just pull that up on the end. I want to taper this back down and then in. We're going to add another point. We're going to curve out towards the right and then up. Now I'm just going to pull this in again with a short curve. Now we're going to curve down the side of the head. So we're going to curve out, down. Now we're going to pull this out again, curling out the side of the hair. Now from here, I just want to curve down on top of the ear, coming in. Let's add a little bit of texture to the hair. So we're going to start from the center point. I'm going to curve up and then out towards the left. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving up and then out. We'll add a couple lines along the side of the head. So from this point, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down towards the side of the head. We'll step down and draw that twice. Now on this side, we're just going to curve this. From the top, we're going to curve down and just flick it up. We'll step down again and draw that twice. Alright, so now that we got the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the collar of the jacket first. So stepping down in the center, start with a point. From this point, I'm going to curve out and up underneath the left side of the chin. Do the same thing on the right, going up and then out. Now let's draw on the collar of the jacket. We're going to start at the bottom down here. We're going to taper this out, going out and then up to right about there. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to angle up and in towards the inside edge of the jacket. Now let's draw on the top of the collar. From here, we're going to step down, angle out with a short line. We'll draw an angled line going up underneath the chin. Now in this space here, we're going to add the collar of the shirt. Starting from the bottom of the chin in the center, we'll angle down and out towards the left. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Let's add the tie. So from the center, we're going to step down towards the left, angle down and in. Do the same thing with the right side. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now from the corners of the tie, we're just going to angle down and out underneath the collar. Now let's move out and draw on the side of the body. From the collar, we're going to step out towards the left. We're going to curve out and then down towards the left. We'll move over towards the right side and do the same thing. Now from here, we're just going to angle down and in. Now we're going to pull this up towards the center with a straight line. Coming up. Now from the bottom of the collar in the center, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the jacket. Let's add 2 buttons on the left side here. So we draw a circle at the top, then move down, draw one just below it. We're we're gonna add the pocket on the right side here. So we're gonna start with a straight line. We'll come down with 2 short lines on either side, and then cap it off with a straight line. Let's continue working down with the legs. So in the center, we're gonna draw a straight line coming down towards the lower torso. Now right here, we're just gonna draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. On the left side, I'm gonna step in, curve out, and then down towards the left heel. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel to the toe, we'll curve down, then back up. Now we're gonna round out the top of the foot. We're gonna aim towards the heel, but we're gonna stop about halfway. So let's start on the left side. We're gonna curve up, come down to right about there. I want to curve and blend in the opposite direction towards the inside of the leg. So we'll curve around and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Curve up the top of the foot. Now we're going to pull that down. Now I want to blend into a curve going in the opposite direction, going up. Now from the corners of the jacket, we're going to step in, curve out the side of the leg on top of the foot. So starting on the left, we're going to step in, curve out, and then pull that straight down. Do the same thing on the right, going out and then down. At the bottom of the foot, we're going to take this curve and just duplicate it right up above. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start about halfway down the side of the body. We're going to curve out and then down towards the left, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now going back to the left side, we're going to draw on the thumb. So a small half circle going around. And at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, I'm going to draw on the first finger. So we're going to go around the bracket and pull this up. Let's stack 2 more fingers along the side. So we'll step down, curve around, and then up. Now the third finger, I'm just going to go up towards the wrist. So curve around and just pull that up to right about there. From the inside corner of the wrist, we're going to curve up and out just past this line. Go up and just curve this over. Now from here, we're just going to curve the outside of the arm in behind the head. So we're just going to pull that in with a curve. Let's take that and flip it over on the right side. So we're going to start with the half circle for the thumb. And at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll swirl around the bracket and go up. We'll step back down. We'll draw the second finger. Now the third finger is going to go around and up towards the wrist. Now let's start on the inside of the wrist, curve over and just past the outside of the hand, and then we'll curve up underneath the head. Curving up and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's Harvey Dent, also known as Two-Face. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.